Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, let me share something very interesting about Burj Khalifa construction highlights. The Burj Khalifa is a skyscraper located in Dubai, United Arab Emirates, and is currently the tallest building in the world, standing at a height of 828 meters. Its construction was a massive undertaking requiring innovative engineering and construction techniques as well as a significant amount of resources and funding. In this video, we will see the construction of the Burj Khalifa from its inception to its completion. In 2003, Sheikh Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum, the ruler of Dubai, announced his vision to build the tallest building in the world as a symbol of the city's ambition and progress. The project was named Burj Dubai and the design was developed by the Chicago-based architectural firm. The lead architect on the project was Adrian Smith, who had previously designed the most popular buildings. The initial concept for the Burj Dubai was a spire-like structure, but this was later revised to a more sculpted form consisting of three elements arranged around a central core. The tower was designed to withstand the extreme temperatures and high winds of the Arabian Peninsula as well as the seismic activity in the region. Construction of the Burj Dubai began in 2004 with a groundbreaking ceremony attended by Dubai's ruler Sheikh Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum. The project was managed by Emaar Properties, a Dubai-based real estate development company, and the main contractor was Samsung Engineering and Construction of South Korea. One of the most challenging aspects of building the Burj Dubai was the foundation. The tower was built on top of a large concrete mat which was 3.7 meters thick and covered an area of 4,500 square meters. The mat was supported by 192 board piles which were drilled into the bedrock to a depth of over 50 meters. The piles were then filled with concrete to form a solid foundation for the tower. Construction of the tower itself was divided into four phases. The first phase involved the construction of the lower floors up to level 30. This was done using traditional concrete construction techniques with concrete pumped up to the site from a central batching plant. The concrete was then poured into a system of steel formwork which was used to shape the floors and walls of the tower. The second phase of construction involved the installation of a system of steel buttresses which were used to support the upper floors of the tower. The buttresses were arranged in a spiraling pattern around the central core and were designed to reduce the wind forces acting on the building. Each buttress consisted of a steel plate weighing up to 20 tons which was welded to the central core and the outer columns of the tower. Third phase of construction involved the installation of the cladding system, which consisted of over 26,000 glass panels arranged in a pattern of triangles and diamonds. The cladding system was designed to reflect the sunlight and reduce the heat gain inside the building. The panels were manufactured in China and Italy and were transported to Dubai by ship and truck. The final phase of construction involved the installation of the spire, which was added to the top of the tower to bring its height to 828 meters. The spire was constructed from a system of steel pipes and was assembled on the ground before being lifted into place by a crane. The spire was then welded to the top of the tower and the final cladding panels were installed. The construction of the Burj Dubai was completed in 2010 after 6 years of work. The tower was officially inaugurated on January 4, 2010. The construction of Burj Khalifa was an impressive feat that utilized massive amount of concrete and steel. The concrete and steel foundation alone required over 45,000 cubic meters of concrete, weighing more than 110,000 tons, with 192 piles buried more than 50 meters deep. In total, the construction of Burj Khalifa required 330,000 cubic meters of concrete and 39,000 tons of steel rebar and took 22 million man-hours to complete. The installation of the exterior cladding began in May 2007 and took over 2 years to complete, with more than 380 skilled engineers and on-site technicians involved in the project. Initially, the team was able to install about 20 to 30 panels per day, but eventually they achieved a remarkable 175 panels per day. The tower also achieved several world records, including the highest installation of aluminium and glass faker at a height of 512 meters. The total weight of aluminium used on Burj Khalifa is equivalent to that of 5 A380 aircraft, and the total length of stainless steel bullnose fins is 293 times the height of the Eiffel Tower in Paris. In November 2007, the tower also set a record for the highest reinforced concrete core walls, with concrete being pumped to a vertical height of 601 meters using 80 MPa concrete from ground level. These broke the previous record held by Taipei 101, the world's second tallest tower, which had a vertical pumping record of 470 meters, and the previous world record for vertical pumping of 532 meters for an extension to the Riva del Garda hydroelectric power plant in 1994. The concrete pressure during pumping to this level was almost 200 bars. Finally, the amount of rebar used in the tower is an impressive 31,400 metric tons, which, if laid end to end, would extend over a quarter of the way around the world. Overall, the construction of Burj Khalifa was a remarkable achievement, demonstrating the capabilities of modern engineering and construction techniques.